What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be talking about BSRs, and I'm going to explain exactly what a BSR actually is. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you're interested in low content book publishing and you don't know where to start, then click that link in the description below to go through and check out the Printing Profits course. This is going to take you step by step on everything that you need to know. Also, if you have started low content book publishing but you're not making that many sales, then come and check out the course as well, because I have a module in here specifically about keyword research and it might really help you out. So again, check out that first link in the description. So BSRs, what is a BSR? Well, simply put, a BSR is a best sellers rank, and you can find that just here. Now I'm using a plugin called DS Amazon Quick View. So with this plugin, when you're scrolling through the page, it just pulls it up here and you don't have to click through to check out the BSR. So that's just a great little tool to have. But this is your BSR, your best sellers rank. So with a BSR, this tells you where you're ranked in the books on Amazon. So in this case, this has a BSR of 3004. Now, the higher this number, the less books you're selling. The lower the number, the more books you're selling. So this is ranked over around 3000. So they're going to be making a lot of sales with this. So if we keep on scrolling, let's go past the sponsored. So let's go to here. This has a bestsellers rank of just over 100,000. So they're going to be selling a few books of this. And then if we go down a little bit more, this has a bestsellers rank of just over 5,000. So they're going to be selling a lot of books. Now, if you want to know or get a gauge on how many units of a book is being sold, you can use a BSR calculator. So let's just copy this for a second and go over to this BSR calculator. You can find these by simply searching in Google BSR calculator. I found this one to be the most accurate, so let's put that in there for a minute. Let's go there, take out that comma. We're going to go to book and press calculate. So on average, I say on average because this isn't spot on, but they're selling 42 units a day, 637 a month. So they're selling a lot of units of this low content book. But that's all a BSR essentially is, a bestsellers rank. Now, if you've published quite a lot of books and your books don't have a BSR, it's because no one has purchased that book. So you only get a BSR when your book has been purchased, and then you'll get one. So if we keep scrolling through, we can see this one has a BSR of 9,000, or just over. So let's see how many units they're selling. Let's go over to the BSR calculator again. So this is just another great tool that you can use to gauge how popular a book is and how many units they are actually selling. So let's do that. They're roughly selling around 27 units a day. Another really good book. But yeah, that is it. That's all a BSR essentially is. That's all you really need to know. So the higher this number, then the less books you're selling. The lower this number, the more books you're selling. And that is essentially it. Now remember, if you want help with your low content book publishing business, or you're just getting started, then come through, check out the Printing Profits course. There is an offer on at the minute, and you can get this for £49.99, which is around $49. And if you decide to enroll in the course, we also have a private Printing Profits Facebook group with a great community in there. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.